Have you ever wondered how to invest and secure your financial future, even if you have a low salary? Well, in this video, we're going to share some smart investing strategies specifically designed for low-income earners. Let's get started. 1. Budgeting is key. The first step is to create a budget that works for you. Allocate a portion of your income towards investing, even if it's just a small amount. Every little bit counts. 2. Start with low-risk investments. Consider investing in low-risk options like index funds or bonds. They offer steady returns without subjecting your hard-earned money to too much risk. 3. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as a 401 or a pension. Contribute to these accounts, especially if your company matches your contributions. It's essentially free money. 4. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about investing. Read books, follow financial blogs, and watch educational videos to enhance your knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to spread your risk and potentially increase your returns. 6. Consider micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns or Stash allow you to invest loose change from your everyday purchases. It's an excellent way to slowly build your investment portfolio. 7. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment accounts. This way, you won't even have to think about it, and your investments will grow effortlessly. Remember, investing is not solely reserved for high-income earners. With smart strategies and perseverance, you can secure your financial future even on a low salary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Happy investing!